Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba uthaphilayo. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke, ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje, awukhiphi nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje ngizoloke ngikulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke. So ongakwenza-ke njengamanje ukuthi-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini u-subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba akulethele lona namhlanje sekuvele-ke umlisa-ke laphana-ke eveza-ke izinto-ke ezi-stress-a-ke i-M_K laphana-ke waveza-ke wabala ne-E_F_F, waveza-ke nokuningi-ke laphana-ke engingafuni ukuthi-ke mina-ke wakuzwa ngami. Kuphela nje into engizoyenza nje ngizodidiyela-ke ividiyo-ke nje uzizwele wena-ke. Mina-ke ngizocela kuwe lapha ukuthi-ke masuyilalelile-ke le video lena ungene ema-comment section ufike ushiye umbono wakho-ke wena ukuthi-ke ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke, usucabangani ngaloko okushiwo-ke ulo muntu obhale ema-comment section-ke bese ucinza nebhathini nje subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje, awukhiphi nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke. Khona kuzokwazi phela ukuthi uthole nezinye iy'ndaba ezintsha-ke nje engizoloke ngiy'faka kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. Nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
The MK stress, number one, state capture. Remember, Gupta's accounts are closed in South Africa. And then if some accounts of Duduzane, Zuma, I once heard him complaining that they are closed. And the state have recovered billions of rands looted from the state capture already. So guys, as for Julius, the problem here is VBS. So if you hear them talking about we are progressive forces, they are not progressive forces. They are organizations that are sharing the same agenda of protecting themselves against the state, not to take a radical action against them. They are using numbers to protect themselves, not to protect or having sharing the interest to the black child. So these people, they are just, one of the writers said, let me quote, only in South Africa, thieves will regroup to loot again, and the youth whose future is being stolen will be celebrating those people who are claiming to be radical forces. So we don't have problem. We know that the ANC